Good morning, sir. My name is Martin Montes from BSECA4, and today I will discuss my microwave link design. Introduction. So, for the objective of this project, I've choose two locations from Gabon. This project aim to make provide rural communities with dependable and reasonable price data transmission by designing and developing a point-to-point microwave communication with a distance of 10 kilometer between the transmitter and the receiver. So for the proposed project, one transmitter and one receiver, and the operating frequency is 6 gigahertz in the distance of 10 kilometer. Site selection. Yes. And next for the terrain accessibility. For this one, I've used Google Earth Pro in order to I properly map the distance between the two transmitter and the receiver. In Batang, Ligao City, the transmitter site is located, and in the Gabon, Pulangi, Albay, located the receiver. So this is a visual location of, and then the elevation profile from transmitter, and showing that there is no obstacle in the line of sight to hinder the signal. And then next for the antenna height. So the antenna height is 16.77 meters and 17.24 meters. So this is my path profile, and the green one is the um, elevation of them, and then the violet is the total extended height, and the blue one, the straight line, is the prepared line of sight. As you can see, sir, there is no obstacle or hindrance between these two location. Next, for the tower, I've used for this tower we use self-supporting tower. So for the field report, the transmitter site, so you can see, sir, the documentation here taken from Google Earth Pro is alongside a road and accessible by if the construction starts, and also in the Gabon site, Gabon, Pulangi, Albay. So for this, and the transmitter receiver antenna height is 16.77 meter and 17.24, and then their tower height is 30 meter, both transmitter and receiver. So the path profile already I've discussed. So this is my data that are needed in order to calculate all the needed calculation for my project, and also the relevant data. Yes, up to 10 kilometer. And then next, transmission line. So the design specification and the location and longitude latitude is given. For the elevation, sir, in the transmitter is 86 meter and 30 meter in the receiver, based on the Google Earth Pro. So for the design computation, calculate needed the effective earth bulge using the distant 1 and distant 2 using the formula given, and the first Fresnel radius also, and the Fresnel clearance. For the power calculation, sir, the needed transmitter power, transmission line loss, transmitter antenna gain, the EIRP. For the path parameter, phase space path loss, isotropic level, the answer is there, and the receiver transmission line, on the receiver parameters, RCL, and so on and so forth. And the fade margin, 14.31 dB. So this is my link budget calculation in tabular form. Transmitter power 30 dB, transmission line loss 4.81 dB, transmitter antenna gain 22.90, and effective radiative power is 40.01 dBm. Free space path loss is 127.82. Isotropic receive level is negative 87.01 dBm. Receive parameters and net path loss is negative 86.83 dB. Receive signal level is negative 70.92 and noise threshold is negative 95.23. Carry to noise ratio 24.3 and less in the FF Fermi ratio is 86 negative 86.33 dB. Feed margin and 14.31 dB. Steam reliability using to look at the reliability of the propagation using the feed margin that from the problem. Next, the power level diagram. As you can see the graph using this showing the power calculation in my project. Transmitter power 30, 14.82 LT, EIRP 0.81, negative 7.01, GT 70.92, and RSL 14.31. These data are from the data that I've solved in the previous page. So for the cost estimation, we have the equipment cost. For the transmitter tower, a heavy supporting tower kit needed quantity of 1 and cost is 422,706 based from the site that I've searched, and the receive tower is medium supporting tower kit quantity of 1 and 997,740,000. For the transmitter antenna, I've used KPPS 5AC both transmitter receiver, and they are both at 10,234. For the waveguide is Flexwell, a standard elliptical waveguide E60 series with the operating frequency of 5 to 6 point something gigahertz. With cost of 175,000. Transmitters and receiver land area is 30,000 and 35,000. A total amount of 1,679,914. In the project Gantt chart, it shows the project will take up to 6 months. For the first one, site preparation, next foundation work, transmitter tower installation. Next month is tower installation, receiver, transfer antenna, and the electrical work system integration, reading as and the project hardware in the last month. For excuse me, for the labor costs, wait, it's a problem here. Then waveguide, 6 months system integration, community project handout. Okay. Next, we have the labor cost. For the ECE, electronics and communication engineer, we need the project need 2 ECE. Their monthly salary is 50,000, and the total cost for 6 months is 600,000. For the electronic technician ECT, number of workers can be 30,000 monthly salary and 540,000 for the 6 month duration. And the general laborer is 18,000 for the number of workers 4, and then their total cost of 6 months is 432,000. Administrative staff 25,000. Number of workers is only 1 and 150,000 for the 6 month duration. A total of 2,142,000. Total of 3 million something if you add the equipment cost and the labor cost. And of course, there's also some that I forgot to input the other costs needed in this project, but it's minimal. And then the link below, these are the link that I've used in order to estimate or find the value of the equipment cost and labor costs based on the provided information. For the continuation, next, we lastly when I here in calculate conclusion, sorry, pardon for my making a point-to-point micro communication link needs a lot of consideration of crucial factors such as site location, tower structure, separating frequencies, essential equipment like antenna, waveguide space, and radio equipment. Also, the prices need to budget in order to continue this project. This intricate process involves meticulous computation, path profiling, determining transmitter and receiver powers, and other relevant values. Um, Constrained budget for more than 2 million pesos. The design is linked to community path line of 10 kilometers, strategic planning. And then for the specification, I've used the flexible elliptical waveguide and see the data sheet provided here I've used in order to um, determine the power. And then the last is the reference. And that's the end of my report. Thank you, sir, for listening. I hope you have a good day ahead. Thank you.